Thank you very much, and thank you for braving the weather to come out for this lecture tonight. I hope I make it worth your while. Just a word on the title of my lecture tonight, Transvestites, Anchorites, Wives, and Martyrs. It's the title of a paper I published over 2 decades ago when I first encountered these crazy saints that totally took me by surprise. I was just coming off of writing my dissertation, which is on a much larger project, studying the notebooks, the zibaldoni that were written by 15th century Florentines. And it was totally by accident, while I was researching in the Biblioteca Nazionale, among other places, these commonplace books, these manuscripts written in the Quattrocento, that I started coming upon these stories. I did not go out looking for transvestite saints. They found me. I had just finished my master's degree in Italian studies at UC Berkeley and completed all my paperwork for the doctorate in history. And I thought I knew the entire canon of Italian literature. I knew a fair amount about popular culture, about worship, about various canonical texts and devotional works. But what I found really blew my mind. And it still does over 20 years later. And I'm hoping to share some of that, enthusiasm with you. And if you have not yet heard of transvestite saints, do not feel bad because they're really not everybody's cup of tea. And it's not something of the thousands of saints that have been studied in the Acta Sanctorum, in the Bollandist Society. The transvestite group is a relatively small group, but very important, as you'll see. And I will try to talk to you more about why I think these particular stories were copied so frequently.